G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Quite recently I put out a time lapse of the chapter 3 of the Mad Quilt Party, which was the Mad Hatter block. This one turned out so wonderfully. Today's video is going to be the bonus block, which is the cake. Let's see how it all comes together. So let's take a look at the completed block. I think it turned out beautifully. I love all the different textures and colors in this. It's all made out of the Tula Pink kit that we bought, except for the cherry. I used the Kerner sheen on that because I thought it gave it that nice glazed maraschino cherry style on top. So let me know what you think of this block and which block is your favorite so far out of this series. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely hit the like button, share with a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you all have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.